In this episode, let us explore the remarkable journey of Chakranarayan, a Christian constable who transformed into an ardent devotee of Sai Baba. This story is taken from chapter 6 of Sri Shirdi Sainath Bhagavatam, written in Telugu by Srimati Pavani Nirmala Prabhavati ji, a devoted follower of Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. The British government became suspicious of Baba's practice of accepting dakshina, donations from his devotees, which sometimes amounted to thousands of rupees daily. They suspected Baba might support freedom fighters or finance movements against British rule. To investigate, they appointed Chakra Narayan, a constable, instructing him to closely monitor Baba's activities and gather evidence that could be used against him. Determined to complete his mission, Chakranarayan arrived in Shirdi in disguise. He carefully observed Baba's receipt of money, what he did with it, and how he interacted with different people. He was intent on uncovering proof that Baba was involved in anti British activities. However, as Chakranarayan spent time watching Baba, he was deeply moved. He saw that Baba never kept a single penny for himself. Every donation was given away to the poor and the needy. And by the end of the day, Baba was left with nothing. What shocked Chakranarayan even more was witnessing Baba begging for alms despite receiving large amounts of money. Baba would then mix all the food and distribute it as prasad to his devotees. He also observed how Baba embraced people of all religions, castes, and backgrounds with the same love and kindness. There were no distinctions, everyone was equal in Baba's eyes. Seeing Baba's humility, compassion, and divine wisdom, Chakranarayan's heart began to change. He started questioning his motives. How could anyone suspect such a pure and selfless being? Overwhelmed by realization, Chakranarayan fell at Baba's feet, seeking forgiveness. Tears filled his eyes as he surrendered to Baba, acknowledging him as the supreme Guru and protector of all humanity. Baba, ever compassionate, lifted Chakranarayan and reassured him, saying, "Don't cry. You have done nothing wrong. You have only fulfilled your duty and sincerity. Report the truth to the British government exactly as you have seen here." Baba then revealed a profound truth. This universe is sustained by truth. Your very name, Chakra Narayan, carries deep meaning. Chakra symbolizes the Sudarshan Chakra and Narayan represents Lord Vishnu. God is beyond caste, religion, or region. A true Sadguru always upholds righteousness and truth. If Sadgurus were ever biased or corrupt, the world itself would collapse. Hearing Baba's divine words, Chakranarayan felt transported into a higher spiritual realm. His faith in Baba was forever sealed, and from that moment on, he became one of Baba's devoted followers. With tears and deep reverence for Baba, Chakranarayan would often share Baba's greatness with his friends. He would recount how Baba frequently sang one of Sant Kabir Das Ji's hymns, which deeply resonated with him. Moved by its meaning, he would explain its significance to his friends, reflecting Baba's divine wisdom. It goes like this. Satguru sam ko hai saga, sadhu samake daat. Hari saman ko hitu hai, harjan samko jat. And its meaning is, there is no greater friend than the Sadguru. There is no one nobler than a virtuous sage and generous giver. There is no greater well-wisher than Lord Vishnu. A Harijan is a true devotee of Lord Hari, transcending caste, creed, and religion. Nothing stands beyond this eternal truth. Filled with immense joy, Chakranarayan expressed, "Following the orders of the British government, I too doubted Baba. But in the end, I was blessed to meet such a divine and noble soul, Sai Baba, who is beyond all worldly distinctions." With Baba's blessings and wisdom, he sought Baba's permission and humbly returned, carrying his teachings in his heart. This incident reminds us that Baba's teachings transcend all barriers. He embodies truth, love, and selflessness and guides all who seek him. Let us embrace Baba's wisdom, live righteously, and surrender to His divine grace. We'll meet again in the next episode with another miraculous blessing of Baba. Om Sai Ram.